Signals, Highway Code Rule 103. Signals warn and inform other road users, including pedestrians, of your intended actions. You should always give clear signals in plenty of time, having checked it is not misleading to signal at that time. Use them to advise other road users before changing course or direction, stopping or moving off. Cancel them after use. Make sure your signals will not confuse others. If, for instance, you want to stop after a side road, do not signal until you are passing the road. If you signal earlier, it may give the impression that you intend to turn into the road. Your brake lights will warn traffic behind you that you are slowing down. Use an arm signal to emphasize or reinforce your signal if necessary. Remember that signaling does not give you priority. And again, here a lot of experienced drivers believe if they signal that you must allow them to go. It's courtesy too, but it's not a legal requirement. They should check it's safe. So the other rules: give clear signals in plenty of time. Again, a lot of people don't bother to signal at all, and they often signal too late to be of any use to anybody. So don't look for or expect their signals. If they do, that's a bonus, but a lot of people are very bad at signalling. You should use your signals to advise other road users and pedestrians, etc. So a lot of drivers, again, are very selfish and only signal when it might be a benefit to them, when you should be signalling for the benefit of others. A lot of people fail the driving test because they forget to cancel their signal. It does flash, it does click, but when you're nervous or anxious or concentrating on other things, it's amazing how your ears stop working. You just ignore the information. So make it a habit of checking the flash has gone off and listen for the clicking to stop. This bit about not signalling too early. Again, the left signal could mean I'm stopping on the left, or I'm turning left, or I'm moving to the left lane. So you need to make sure your signal is given and people understand what you're saying. So if you signal too soon, people might think you're turning into the road, and somebody could pull out in front of you, causing you to crash into them, but you've misled them by signalling too early, is a good example.